In a world transforming at an unprecedented pace, artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of innovation. The emergence of powerful tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Veo3 is not just a novelty. They are revolutionizing how we approach work and creativity. People are capitalizing on these advancements, generating impressive income streams by leveraging AI capabilities in real time. Today's landscape encourages individuals to harness the potential of AI, allowing them to turn their ideas into reality with just a few clicks of a button. Imagine crafting content, designing stunning visuals, or producing engaging videos without having to start from scratch. AI tools enable anyone to take the reins of creativity, translating mere thoughts into tangible projects. This new era signifies a paradigm shift where those proactive in embracing technology can see financial rewards, with some earning between $100 to $500 a day, all from the comfort of their homes. This presents an incredible opportunity to tap into something transformational that many are still oblivious to. Yet, as the AI landscape continues to evolve, a notable divide is forming. On one side are the individuals harnessing the power of AI to elevate their lives. On the other, those left behind due to a reluctance to adapt. The ability to control AI will soon define success in various fields, turning the clock against the uninformed. Thus, it becomes imperative to familiarize oneself with these tools to unlock new income avenues. The message is clear. In this fast-paced future, waiting is not an option. Action is the key to not only surviving, but thriving in a world where the rewards are plentiful for those who step up first. As the digital world unfolds, the integration of AI applications becomes increasingly seamless, making the transition smoother for everyone. By learning how to navigate these tools, individuals can create diverse income streams capable of sustaining them, while combining their unique visions with AI's prowess. This confluence of human creativity and machine efficiency fosters a new wave of innovation, igniting passion and purpose in unprecedented ways. So buckle up and get ready, because the future is here, ready to reward those who dare to explore.